value of having a European Summer Summit is really to bring people together and create a critical mass, especially if we think about having a multi-location, multi-nation and multi-vertical approach here.
We definitely benefit from Plug and Play's huge network, from their sourcing powers to find the best startups in the world.
I congratulate Plug and Play to organize the first Summer Summit in Europe, so that we also try to have a small sister, or maybe sister which can become bigger in Europe, and not only have to travel to the Silicon Valley, but also have innovation here in Europe.
Well, the main value add is certainly to get involved with different startups and also with established partners from different industries.
So far, working with Plug and Play has been great because they connect startups with corporates and corporates with startups in a kind of very tailored and specific way. So that brings value to both parties.
I think building this ecosystem around Munich is very interesting for us as a corporation, but also for startups, I think.
Today was all about inspiration and understanding for me. So that means you get to understand what other solutions are there, you get inspired by the other startups, but of course you also see if your solution fits the individual needs of the partners of Plug and Play.